How much will 100,000 Verasity be worth in 2025? In this video I will answer this question and share my price prediction for the next bull run with long and short term analysis. And we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Verasity to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Verasity is on place 493 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $56 million. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels, and then we came back all the way again into this demand zone. And this demand zone was the beginning of this massive push to the upside. And after we find some support right here, we saw this bullish move. And after we reached the highest high of 2023, we saw again a move to lower levels, but we built a higher low right here. And as we came back into this supply zone, we saw this rejection to the levels right here. And as we moved again into this supply zone, we saw this rejection to the prices right now. And I think Verasity is a great project with a very high potential. And if we now can continue to move to the upside, and if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then I think the chances are that we can see even higher prices. And on the way to the top, the first really interesting price target is this high right here, because from this high right here, we saw this beginning of this massive bearish trend. And if we then can continue the move to the upside and find acceptance over this high, then the next really interesting price target is this one right here. And often over this important highs, the chance for a larger pullback is there because there's much liquidity right here and many people are taking profits. So the chance that we see a larger pullback is there. But if we can continue this bullish move to the upside, then the last really interesting price target is of course the all-time high. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 1,500%. And I think this is already a great deal for Verasity. But the best coins in the bull run are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think Verasity has the chance to break even higher. And to calculate a potential price target for the bull run, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this kind of price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 31 cents. And I think this is a realistic price target for the next bull run if Verasity evolves correctly. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 22 cents. And I think this is also a realistic price target. So I think the chances high that we can see realistic prices in this kind of region. And from the prices right now to 22 cents, we would have a potential of nearly 4,000%. And to the price target of 31 cents, we would have a potential of 5,400%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Verasity. And if we have a look again, Verasity is on place 493 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $56 million. So there's a lot of potential to the upside. Of course, the circulating supply of 10% is not very great, but again, we have amazing potential to the upside. Of course, the potential could be even higher because Verasity is a very small coin, but I think this is a realistic price target for the next bull run. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 100,000 Verasity be worth in 2025? To the prices right now, 100,000 Verasity will be worth $560. And if we would reach this kind of price target of 31 cents, then 100,000 Verasity will be worth $31,000. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation and it will be massive gains. So we looked for potential price targets for Verasity and now we are looking for potential buy areas. And I think these prices are already a great chance to buy some Verasity for your hodl portfolio, because lastly we saw this bullish move to the upside. We are now seeing this correction, but the chances high that we are seeing some rejection in this demand zone and that we are seeing a higher low right here. So I think this is already a great chance to buy Verasity for the long term. And if we would see lower prices, then I would look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the upside. This was the beginning of this move. So if we come again into this demand zone, and if we are not breaking it and find a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would definitely buy some Verasity here for my long-term hodl portfolio. And of course, guys, the lower the prices are, the even bigger the potential is for Verasity to the upside in the bull run. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Verasity, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So again, guys, to answer this question, how much will 100,000 Verasity be worth in 2025? If we would reach the potential price target of 31 cents, 100,000 Verasity will be worth $31,000. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Verasity. Of course, the coin is very small now, but the potential to the upside is very big. So guys, this is my price prediction for the next bull run for Verasity. If you want to see my phantom price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the 2024-25 bull run. So feel free to check it out. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.